Opening shot of a person packing a suitcase. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some of my favorite travel tips to help make your next trip stress-free and enjoyable. Tip number 1, pack smart. When it comes to packing, less is more. Make a list of everything you need and stick to it. Use packing cubes to keep your clothes organized and save space in your luggage. Tip number 2, arrive early. Give yourself plenty of time to get to the airport and go through security. I recommend arriving at least 2 hours before your flight to avoid any last-minute stress. Tip number 3, plan ahead. Research your destination before you arrive. Know the local customs, language, and currency. Make a list of the places you want to visit and plan your itinerary accordingly. And don't forget to book your accommodations and transportation in advance. Tip number 4, stay connected. Make sure you have a reliable way to stay connected while you're traveling. Buy a local SIM card or use a travel hotspot to stay online. And don't forget to bring a portable charger to keep your devices charged on the go. Tip number 5, try local food. One of the best parts of traveling is trying new foods. Don't be afraid to try something new and ask the locals for recommendations. But make sure to avoid street food that could make you sick. Tip number 6, take breaks. Traveling can be exhausting, so make sure to take breaks and rest when you need to. Sit down, enjoy a cup of coffee, or take a stroll in a local park to recharge. And those are my top travel tips. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments which tip was your favorite, and if you have any other travel tips to share, I'd love to hear them. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.